Let's face it, none of us are perfect, and that's okay. The journey of personal growth and development is not a sprint. It's a marathon, an ongoing process that requires dedication and commitment. It's about nurturing your mind, cultivating emotional resilience, and striving for excellence in every aspect of your life. Imagine a version of yourself with unwavering mental clarity and emotional strength, capable of conquering any challenge that comes your way. That's the essence of personality development. And in this captivating video, we're diving deep into 20 transformative tips to help you unlock your full potential. From mastering the art of decision-making to harnessing the power of positive body language, each tip is a stepping stone towards becoming the best version of yourself. We'll explore the importance of embracing your inner self, setting meaningful goals, and overcoming fears that hold you back from greatness. But it's not just about personal growth. It's about radiating confidence and charisma in every interaction. Picture yourself exuding professionalism with the right hairstyle and attire, while also spreading joy and laughter with your infectious sense of humor. And let's not forget the crucial role of self-care in this journey. We'll discuss the significance of exercise routines, the power of self-reflection, and the transformative impact of waking up early to seize the day. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, join us as we uncover the secrets to unlocking your true potential. Get ready to inspire, motivate, and elevate yourself to new heights, because the path to personal greatness starts right here, right now. Don't just watch this video. Embrace it as your roadmap to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Number 1. Be a decision maker. To embark on the journey of personal improvement, one must be willing to make bold decisions. At times, these decisions may need to be made without the luxury of having all the facts at hand. However, what truly matters is having unwavering confidence in those decisions. It's not just about making a choice. It's about committing oneself to growth and advancement. In the pursuit of personal betterment, one must be prepared to confront situations where information may be lacking. While such circumstances may breed hesitation, they should not deter one from seizing opportunities for progress. The hallmark of a strong decision maker lies not only in the choices they make, but also in their ability to trust themselves. Making decisions in the face of uncertainty can be a daunting task, but it also presents an opportunity to demonstrate resilience and determination in the pursuit of self-improvement. Therefore, remember that the first step on the path to personal enhancement is making decisive and unwavering choices. Trust in your abilities and be ready to confront life's challenges head-on. Only then can you truly experience genuine progress and development in your journey. Number 2. Speak carefully. When words are on the tip of your tongue, it's essential to exercise caution. Harness the power of restraint by taking a moment to pause, silently counting to 10 before allowing any heated words to escape. Inhale deeply and transport your mind to a tranquil oasis where the gentle breeze and serene surroundings soothe your senses. Maintaining composure is key. Let your words flow only when necessary, guided by the wisdom of restraint and the serenity of your inner sanctuary. By adopting this approach, you not only preserve the peace, but also empower yourself to communicate effectively, leaving a lasting impression of poise and thoughtfulness. Remember, in the cacophony of emotions, it's the calm, deliberate voice that resonates most profoundly. Number 3. Intelligent self-control. Mastering intelligent self-control is paramount. Among the myriad ways we express ourselves, facial expressions stand out as one of the most telling indicators of our inner emotions. It's akin to wearing our hearts on our sleeves. Therefore, it's imperative to cultivate a demeanor of neutrality in our expressions. Even when the tempest of anger or stress rages within, consciously strive to maintain a visage of equanimity. It's akin to an actor mastering their craft, portraying a character even amidst turmoil. For, just as a constant frown etches lines of weariness upon the face, a serene countenance exudes an aura of timeless grace. In essence, by honing the ability to regulate our facial expressions, we not only project an image of poise and control, but also preserve the youthful vibrancy that emanates from within. So let us endeavor to mirror the calmness of our souls upon our visage. For in doing so, we unveil the true essence of our inner strength and beauty. Number 4. Good manners. Embarking on the journey of refining one's manners is akin to polishing a precious gem. Just as a gemstone's brilliance shines brighter with each careful stroke, so too do our interactions sparkle when adorned with the finesse of good manners and proper etiquette. In today's dynamic social and professional landscapes, possessing acceptable behaviors is akin to wielding a powerful toolkit of soft skills. These skills are not merely adornments, but rather essential instruments for navigating the intricate tapestry of human interactions. Imagine yourself as a sculptor, chiseling away at the rough edges of social conduct to reveal the refined masterpiece within. Each act of courtesy, each gesture of respect is a stroke of your chisel, shaping not only your outward persona, but also sculpting the perceptions others hold of you. Therefore, let us not merely acquaint ourselves with good manners, but let us embrace them as guardians of harmony and catalysts for connection. For in the symphony of life, it is the harmonious blend of etiquette and empathy that creates a melody worth listening to, a melody that resonates deeply with all who encounter it. Number 5. Body language. Body language is a silent symphony that speaks volumes. It's not just about the words we utter, but also the unspoken messages conveyed through our gestures, postures, and expressions. Mastering the art of body language is akin to learning the subtle notes of a musical composition, each movement playing a crucial role in the harmony of communication. Just as a skilled conductor orchestrates a symphony with precision and finesse, so too can we orchestrate our body language to convey confidence, approachability, and professionalism. A simple smile can brighten the atmosphere and invite others into our world, while maintaining open and relaxed posture signals receptivity and confidence. Therefore, it's imperative to educate ourselves on the nuances of positive body language. By doing so, we equip ourselves with yet another tool in our arsenal of soft skills, enabling us to navigate social and professional interactions with ease and grace. So let us tune into the silent melodies of body language, for they hold the power to shape perceptions, forge connections, and leave a lasting impression. Number 6. Learn from mistakes. Harness the power of experience. Every misstep is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the lessons hidden within your mistakes and recognize when a situation is beyond your control. Cultivate a pragmatic and intelligent approach to life's challenges. Let each setback be a springboard for innovation, guiding you towards wiser decisions and a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Number 7. Help others. Extend a helping hand whenever you can. Be a beacon of kindness, illuminating the lives of those around you with your generosity. Offer your support freely, especially during their darkest hours, and watch as you lift their spirits and guide them back onto their feet, ready to face the world with renewed strength and hope. Number 8. Hairstyle. Your hairstyle speaks volumes about your personality and professionalism. Opting for a hairstyle that complements both your facial features and lifestyle is paramount in crafting a polished and confident image. Embrace styles that exude sophistication and vitality, steering clear of unkempt and oily looks. Let your hair be a reflection of your attention to detail and commitment to presenting yourself in the best possible light. Number 9. Update yourself. Seize the opportunity for personal evolution. Commit yourself to make incremental improvements each day, gradually transforming into a better version of yourself. Embrace each day as a stepping stone for growth, surpassing the boundaries of your former self. Let the journey of self-improvement be a continuous adventure, where each sunrise brings forth new possibilities for advancement and self-discovery. Number 10. Set goals. Envision your path forward. Set ambitious yet attainable goals that resonate with your aspirations. Empower yourself by defining objectives that hold deep meaning and are within your reach. By crafting a roadmap of purposeful and achievable goals, You pave the way for personal growth and development, propelling yourself toward a brighter future with each step you take. In the upcoming video, we'll continue exploring another set of 10 tips. So, I invite you to join us as we embark on the next phase of our transformative journey. Approach it with enthusiasm and determination, knowing that each tip will bring us closer to realizing our true potential and creating a brighter, more fulfilling future. Additionally, as usual, because YouTube's algorithm favors videos with more likes, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to help our video reach more people. You can also subscribe to the channel to receive notifications whenever new content is updated. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a pleasant weekend evening.